Number 1. 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,995. The truck is presented in excellent condition and has been very well maintained throughout its life. This custom-built 5.9L V8 4x4 truck runs on gasoline and has 179,000 miles on the odometer, with genuine mileage supported by extensive service history records. It comes with a clean title and is equipped with an automatic transmission that shifts very smoothly. The front windshield remains in excellent condition, and the paint retains a great shine with no visible dings on the body. Both the exterior and interior have been carefully maintained and are exceptionally clean, reflecting the level of care the vehicle has received. The tires still have more than 50% tread life remaining, ensuring dependable performance on the road. Mechanically, the engine is functioning properly with no known issues, and the brakes are in great condition. The battery is also in excellent shape. Number 2. 1998 Nissan Frontier, price $6,500, powered by a gasoline engine and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has approximately 179,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title in the owner's name. Finished in silver, this truck represents a classic, old-school driving experience with its stick shift and manual roll-down windows. The vehicle runs as it should, with the engine performing very well and all gears shifting smoothly. The clutch is in good condition, and the air conditioning system is fully functional. For its age, the interior remains in good shape, and overall, the truck presents itself as clean and well kept. As expected for a vehicle of this age, there are some cosmetic imperfections, including minor dings and scratches. The left rear tail light has a crack, the seats show some wear, and there are stains on the carpet. Additionally, the stereo occasionally cuts out. Number 3. 1995 Ford Ranger, price $5,850, presented in excellent condition with a clean title and 193,000 miles on the odometer. This truck is powered by a reliable 2.3-liter engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience. It runs exceptionally well and has been well maintained over the years, with oil changes consistently performed on schedule. Recently, brand new tires were installed, ensuring dependable traction and road performance. The air conditioning system blows cold, adding comfort to every drive. This Ranger has never been used as a work truck, which is reflected in its overall condition. Despite its mileage, it continues to perform like a champ and is described as a dependable little truck that can handle a variety of driving situations without any issues. Number 4. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features rear-wheel drive and has 144,593 miles on the odometer. The truck comes with a clean title and has been well maintained throughout its life. The red exterior paint remains in good condition, complementing its overall solid appearance. Inside, the interior is clean and well cared for, showing that the vehicle has been properly maintained. Both the air conditioning and heater are fully functional, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. Overall, this GMC Sierra 1500 is in very good condition with no mechanical issues. It runs and drives well, making it a reliable and well-kept truck. Number 5. 1999 Ford F150, price $10,000, single-owner truck with 148,000 miles, a clean title, 4WD, automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. It has been upgraded with a new 5.4L Triton V8 Jasper crate engine installed less than 5,000 miles ago, delivering strong and dependable performance. Finished in freshly repainted blue, the truck features a 4-inch Rancho lift, new 5100 series Bilstein shocks, new brakes, tires, rims, tie rods, and additional front-end components. The interior has been refreshed with new leather seats, roof liner, and carpeting, along with a new stereo system and window tint. New headlights and brake lights complete the recent upgrades. Number 6. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, powered by a 6-cylinder gas engine paired with a manual transmission. This rear-wheel drive truck offers a solid balance of efficiency and performance. With 162,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run and operate properly, reflecting consistent upkeep over the years. The truck comes with a clean title and is finished in an eye-catching red paint color that gives it a classic, timeless appearance. All regular maintenance has been performed as needed, ensuring it remains in good working order. It has mainly been used to carry lighter to medium-sized loads, making it a practical option for everyday driving, small hauling jobs, and general personal use. Number 7. 1987 Ford F250, price $6,800, reliable work truck with a clean title and 52,000 miles currently showing on the dashboard, though the odometer has likely rolled over once. This rear-wheel drive truck is powered by a durable 6.9L diesel engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance for everyday hauling and job site use. It is not a 4x4 model. Mechanically, the truck has no known issues and runs strong, making it a great choice for work purposes. It comes equipped with 2 fully functional fuel tanks for extended driving range. As a diesel model, it does not require smog inspection, and the registration tags have already been paid. The rear tires are in great condition, while the front tires have approximately 50% tread remaining. Number 8. 1999 Mazda B3000, price $4,200, powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It currently has 202,000 miles on the odometer and holds a clean title. This truck had a new transmission installed at 90,000 miles and has consistently received regular oil changes and routine maintenance, contributing to its dependable performance. The exterior is finished in red, though the paint shows its age, and the interior reflects its original, dated styling. However, it has been upgraded with Bluetooth capability, allowing for convenient music streaming and hands-free phone calls. The registration is valid through January 2027, and the vehicle has never failed a smog inspection. Number 9. 1985 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,000. The truck is in good condition and delivers dependable performance. This 4WD truck is powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a solid and engaging driving experience. It has 266,000 miles on the odometer, with the engine professionally rebuilt approximately 77,000 miles ago. The vehicle runs perfectly and has been well maintained. The truck features a clean title and a custom paint color that gives it a distinctive look. It also comes equipped with brand new rims and tires, enhancing both its appearance and road performance. Although the owner is reluctant to part with it, they have decided to sell since they currently own several trucks. Number 10. 1989 Jeep Comanche, price $4,000, solid and reliable compact pickup that runs and drives well. This particular model features a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a classic and engaging driving experience. It is configured with rear-wheel drive, making it a practical choice for everyday use or light-duty hauling. With 190,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has been maintained and remains in good running condition. It comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for the next owner. Additionally, a truck shell is included if desired, adding extra versatility for storage or travel needs. Overall, this 1989 Jeep Comanche stands out as an awesome, dependable pickup with timeless appeal.